there is going to be a lot of cleaning going on at Sennett Middle School. On top of the gelling every time you enter and leave a space, and the hand washing that we'll all be doing, staff is going to be cleaning. There are 10 minutes in between every single class period where students are meant to be off screen, relaxing, passing to their next class. During that 10 minutes, staff is cleaning. What that means for students at home, it means that you're also off the screen. This is your break time to stretch, relax, and just chill. For students in the building, when you're passing, you're going directly from one class to another. You're not stopping at the restroom and you're not refilling your water bottles. When you get to that space, you'll see a couple things happening. One of which is the staff member who will be cleaning. There's a bin of sanitizing supplies that is just for Sennett staff on each one of their desks. Please give the staff the space they need to do the cleaning. If you enter a space and it's not clean yet, your space isn't done, just chill. The staff is working as quickly as they can. They're going to be spraying down the tables and wiping them down. So as you enter, it might still be a little wet. Don't put your materials down. It's pretty quick drying. Just give it a moment and be patient. This time is also meant for you to hang out and chill, not looking at a screen, while they prepare your space and you're connecting with your other students. This is going to ensure that every space at Sennett is clean. In the evenings, the custodial crew will do their usual sweeping, mopping, and cleaning all the touch point areas. Together, we're going to keep this building safe and each other healthy.